Hello everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to monetize your TikTok account. So there are a few ways on how to monetize your TikTok account, and I will be telling you or I will be sharing you at least four or five, I guess. So the first one we have here is TikTok Creator Fund. So what is this? TikTok established its own creator fund so users who regularly create content can make money. Take note, regularly create content. TikTok hopes to encourage real content makers to use the application in this way. You get it right. So you can make money through the creator pool of this social network if you consistently and successfully produce material here originally. Okay, so prepare your TikTok marketing strategy, let your creative ideas flow, and monetize TikTok career. Number two, we have here TikTok live streaming. So, did you realize that your live broadcast on TikTok might bring you money? On TikTok accounts with more than 1,000 followers can begin live broadcasting and earning money from their videos. Users can purchase coins to give away to other users who are broadcasting live videos. An example for this is like ASMR and AI videos, something like that. Content producers can later convert donations or coins they get while filming live videos for actual money and also selling. Number three, we have here TikTok Creator Marketplace or Marketplace for TikTok creators. The official platform for companies and content artists to collaborate on advertising based content creation and receive payment for their efforts is called Creator Marketplace. Additionally, there are other prerequisites for joining, including the following. Of course, you must be 18 years old above, and you must have your personal account and account for businesses that of course eligible, have more than 100,000 fans, have published 3 or more videos in the previous 28 days, and in the last 28 days their videos have gotten over 100,000 likes, residing in one of the 24 countries where TikTok creator marketplace is accessible, and you need to sign up for that. Number four, we have here affiliate promotion. Although it may resemble what was discussed in the TikTok's creator marketplace, affiliating marketing is slightly different. Through affiliate marketing, you can collaborate with organizations or brands you respect to promote their goods online. The way it operates is that you will be compensated by the brand for sales made by followers who use the link or promo code you provided. To achieve this, however, you must have a business account in order to add clickable links to your video descriptions or bio. And last one we have here is TikTok shopping. So if you own a small business and you want to increase your visibility, this TikTok monetization option is fantastic. The next option to generate money on TikTok is to build an online store and sell your goods there. You can now immediately sell using the TikTok shop or app thanks to their partnership with Shopify. If you complete the prerequisites or requirements before opening your store, you can promote your brand through in feed videos, live events, and product showcase steps. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.